Spice says she's ready to do a song with Jada Kingdom right now.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, we are going to talk about Spice and Jada Kingdom. Now, from where you always say the two of them take, you see what I say, the friendship grew, and then this morning, this happened. You see me? So, I'm going to show you a few posts where Jada Kingdom make Spice repost and then a couple comments where they make down in each other comment section, right? But people don't know the collab thing, you know, I always ask in the community section, like, one who you would like to see collab, and these are two names that usually come up, you know, collab with other people. I always say like Jada and Chanel Muir, Jada and Spice. You know, at one point them just say Shensi and Spice, but we know that goes, so we know so we're not gonna get that. But we also hear Jada Kingdom and Shensia, Jada Kingdom and Chanel Muir. It's kind of surprising that them no collab already still, but we are get there, baby steps, you see me? So I'm going to show you what Jada Kingdom post and then Spice repost it. And like me say, I'm going to show you what them say in the comment section as well. So let's start with what Jada post. So Jada post this on her page and she said, "Good morning everyone. Please tag at Spice Official and ask her when we are going to collab. Thanks, bye." Right? So definitely, you know, it's a question that will, like me say, I linger up on a lot of people's mind, including me too, because, you know, I know a lot of songs out there where possible would have be big hit songs if two artists just decide say them are gonna work together. Because a lot of the artists, them, we know what them capable of and we know what the next one capable of. So imagine, put them together. You see what I say? And these are definitely two artists where we have faith in and trust in us. So we know say this are go good. So I'm going to show you what Spice do. Spice repost it and this is what Spice said. She said, "Somebody tag at Jada Kingdom and tell her I'm ready," right? So people, what I definitely love about this, the first thing me love is the fact that Spice reposted on her page, because she could have just replied in the comment on Jada Kingdom page and that's it. But what that do though, that only make the people who follow Jada see it, or, you know what I mean, you know, give it that much, you know, exposure. But when she reposts it now on VR page and it on the two of them page, a lot more people see it. You know, say a lot of the people might see them people, but it still count, right? The second thing what I like about this, and probably the most important, is the fact that both of them use the fans them to get that message across. So Jada post it and say, yo, the fans them tag Spice and ask her. And then Spice reply and say, the fans them tell Jada say. You see me? So you know understand what I try to say. That make it all the more great. Me have a couple more things to show you. I'm going to show you what Spice reply under the post on Jada Kingdom page and what Jada say. And then me I go tell you what Jada go over Spice page and say. And also, when I'm a loyal subscriber, I make a point where, you know, I think it's a valid point. So I'm going to show you that too. Right after this quick intermission, alright?
If you know me, you know what the first thing I have to do is Milan. The Reggae Island. Right at Myrtle Beach, yes, so. Promote over there, so. Yeah. Tonight, a problem, trouble there. But you know, not talking can go on until my belly full. Alright.
Yeah, people, so now that Spice belly full, me I go tell you what she say under the post over Jada page. Right? So she said, Monday morning as me land bright and early, where you say, now I'm ready, with 2 exclamation signs and some laughing emojis. So I want to know, say, a serious thing. Spice says she ready right now. I want to know Spice deal with work. One of the best work ethics throughout the whole dancehall. Male or female. So what I say, Spice, one of them. You see me, I said, there's other people who work just as hard too, but Spice definitely up there. You see me, I say. Under that note, Jada Kingdom reply, and she said, screaming, yes, 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 what the F, with a balling emoji and a purple heart. So Jada definitely excited. She feel like it's an honor to work with Spice. You see what I say? Definitely. And she even go on and she comment again, and she said, thanks to whoever made this edit. So she talk about the picture itself. She don't know how to make it, like she just get it her seat somewhere and she repost it with the question. I don't know if she find it with the question and decide to write it out or however. But big up to that person that will make that too. It definitely a good look to see when them acknowledge the people and will make the thing them. Because a lot of artists them we find it and they won't say nothing. I want to know what I talk about. People will make things probably listen to this and know and see them work up there and nobody now give them no kind of credit feed or notoriety. So, you know what I mean? Definitely shout out to Jada for do that. You see me? So, again, me have one more for sure now. I mean, this is what Jada say on the Spice post now. When Spice repost it on FR page, me go show you what Jada say. So, if you remember the caption where Spice writes, Spice say, when you tag Jada and tell her, say, we're ready. Now, in the comment section, Jada comment and say, watch ya, me ready before you, long time me born, with a crying emoji. So Jada, definitely, we don't know what Jada do her thing, full of argument. You see what I say? So big up Jada and big up Spice. Love the chemistry, people. You see what I say? We love to see the ladies them and live good. You see me? So the next thing I want to show you what one of my loyal subscribers say, and this is Mara Morrison. Been a follow Dancehall IG platform them on Instagram, on YouTube, all over. You see me? Plus me and him used to them on Nightly Fix live in the comment section. So a long time I know Mara Morrison. You see me? So shout him out one more time. Big up Mara. So this is what he said. He said the song has been recorded already. They are drumming up for promotion. They think they are slick. I'm here for it though. Give us another hit. Right? And me reply to it and me and say, knowing Spice, I probably chew your talk. But you don't know still, you don't know how Spice do things, you don't know how Spice do promotion. She go get all the mileage she can out of it. So she go find some way to grab your attention. She go to orchestrate the whole thing. It's possible. You see me when they tell me if we don't agree or disagree. But people, the big question, what do you think the song is about or should be about? We know say everybody I go say Spice only I go sing the Skin Out song them, which is not true. The song with Spice and Conscience, it's about spending money on Spice, but no Skin Out no in it. Spice have Black Hypocrisy, Spice have Care For You, whole heap of song we no Skin Out. So when you tell me what you think I go on in another song here, what should go on, what you know that like for ear. Now people may go leave it right there. So if it's your first time on the channel, you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. Thank everybody, all my long time subscribers. Big up, I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP, Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi!